Do you smell Wally? He sat on my lap, stepped on my foot. Hear that exhale? You wanna go get your fries? Alright, let's go get the fries. You wanna get your French fries? You know what French fries are. Pause. I'll be right back. Reverse separation anxiety. I'm not coming in. I don't want to. Pause. I told you I'd be right back. I told you I want to get fries. Catch. Well, oh my goodness. Such a rush. They're so good. We love our French fries. That's our road trip stuff too. Ready? Wait, hold on. Thank you. One for me. One more for me. Thank you. All right, last one. One more for me. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's all I got right now. You want to smell Wally? There she comes to wreck my day. Leave him alone, please. Yeah, good to see you too. Hold on. You smell Wally and the fries? Fries. Thank you.